Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Fenell with handandfootpain.com, and today I'm going to show you how to treat a calf strain. Let's talk about why you might have such an injury to your calf muscle. Well, due to repetitive stress and trauma, working on your feet all the time, walking on uneven terrain or uneven surfaces or rough terrain, obesity, there is a lot of things that can cause such trauma to your calf area, causing you pain. Now, what are some things you can do to reduce the pain in your calf? Number one, apply ice. For the first 72 hours after your symptoms appear, you're going to put ice directly over the point of pain. That's going to reduce swelling and inflammation in that area and really help to get the ball rolling on correcting this calf problem. The second thing you can do is apply Biofreeze. Biofreeze is a prescription type medicinal relief that you can get from your chiropractor. It has menthol as an active ingredient, and what it does, it has an analgesic effect where it's going to really knock out the pain. It's going to reduce that pain to give you comfort so you can enjoy a day of activity without having a continued aggravation. The next thing you can do is stretch the calf. There's a couple stretches we're going to talk about today that's really important to really heal any calf condition. The first one is a general runner stretch. So you're going to have both feet spread apart. One's going to be in front of the other with the bad calf to the back. You're going to be standing in front of a wall with both hands positioned on the wall. Now, as you lean forward into the wall, you're going to move your hips forward and keep that involved knee locked straight until you feel a stretch in your calf muscle. Hold that stretch for 5 to 10 seconds, and you never want to rock or bounce. You always hold this very slow and controlled, and then push away from the wall to relax. After a few seconds, do it again. You can do this for 3 to 5 repetitions, and you can do this every day. The second stretch is going to work on the deep muscles of the calf, known as the Soleus Muscle group. Now, you're going to put your foot at a 45-degree angle on the wall. You're going to bend your knee in this one versus keeping it locked. And as you move your knee closer to the wall, you're going to feel that deep stretch in your calf area. This really helps to stretch that calf and get it to relax. After 72 hours, you're going to start applying moist heat to the calf area. We used ice for the first 72 hours, then we switched to moist heat. If you ice this muscle, it's going to bring a lot of circulation and blood flow back into that musculature. Now, you can put a moist heating pack or pad directly on the calf, and I like to use moist. Dry heat is fine, but the moistness, the dampness helps to transmit that heat energy deeper into the muscle. Now, after the day 3 mark is hit, you're going to start to do some resistance training. Toe raises is one of the most popular ways and easiest way to start to work the calf musculature and strengthen it. Simply stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to raise up on your toes till your heels are in the air. You're going to hold that for about 5 seconds or so, real slow and controlled, then go back down to the ground. Do that for 5 to 10 repetitions, and you can do that daily as a part of your rehabilitation for your calf muscle. And then finally, the last thing we're going to talk about is how you can actually get the best relief for a calf muscle problem. Usually there's some type of misalignment in the heel or ankle that's related to the calf injury. Chiropractic manipulation on the heel and ankle area and also the knee area can be very effective on taking the tension and stress off of your calf muscle, giving you long-term relief if this is a problem you've had ongoing. Again, my name is Dr. Robert Fenell with handandfootpain.com, and I want to thank you for watching this video today on how to treat a calf strain.